Good everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to another episode of Platform App Builder Certification Series. So today we're going to do something around flows. So in our previous episode, I talked about flows, how to create a flows, right? So now I'm going to use the flow, what we've created in the previous lecture, and I'm going to use that to display using an action on every record page. Or another thing what we're going to do is that if you wanted to display the flow on every Salesforce page, right? So these are the two things we're going to do. So it's very handy to have that option. You should know how to do this. You might get asked from an exam perspective. Okay, cool. So the first thing first, you need to log into an org, right? If you do not have an org, please register for a free org, right? Cool. Okay, so I'm going to set a page, right? So what we're going to do, I'm going to use I'm going to create a button, right? And I'm going to do that on a contact. So we have created a flow. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So there's an existing flow I'm going to use. So we're going to go to flows here. Excuse me. So I wanted to use this account creation flow, right? This is a flow where using which you will be able to create an account, right? Using very simple input, right? Just an account name. So what we're going to do, so we're going to go to account, contact. So go to Object Manager and go to contact. So we go to contact here and go to contact here. And we go to buttons, links, and action. And new action. So we just sometimes takes a few seconds. Okay, so instead of create a record, we can choose flow. So label, we can choose account. Come on, creation, right? And we're gonna save it. Nice and easy, right? Nothing fancy about it. So go to setup again, go to Object Manager again, go to contact, and go to the page layout. So I got a different page layout, so this is the one I'm going to use. And go to mobile lightning action. So there must be something called account creation, right? So pick this guy and drag it somewhere, right? Okay, and then save it. Okay, so that's all pretty much we wanted to do. Okay, and then go to contact here, right? And go to an existing contact, John Muller, right? So go here. There you are, account creation. So we can say demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Whatever. Okay, so account created, nice and easy. So you can see that demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that's fantastic, right? Now, what if you wanted to see accounts on every Salesforce page, right? We have an account page. Right, what do you wanted to see something on that? That's why we have something called account flow here, right? So this is I've created this is an existing one, but I'll tell you how to do that. So you can see, right? So I can go to contact, right? You can see that there's an account flow here. I can go to dashboard. You can see the account flow here, right? And you can go to report. You can see, right? So this is how, if you wanted to access this flow from every single Salesforce page, you can do this. So now how to get this feature, I'll tell you how to do that. So go to setup first, right? And we're going to use the app manager to do this. Okay, so go to setup. It's very, very simple option though, and it's very handy at the same time. Type app manager and look for, let's say, the sales app, right? So so this is lightning sales, right? So this one. And so I'm going to go to edit, right? And so all you have to do, so you got to go to utility, right? So as you can see that there is a new utility item, right? So let me remove this. Okay, so now this is what you see when you come here for the first time if you do not have any utility items, right? So let me save this. Okay, now add utility items, right? So select a flow because we are interested in flow here. Okay, and so so this flow will be selected automatically. If you have many flows, you can pick and choose here. Okay, and label, you can give the label. So let's say ACC creation. Okay, and you can save it. All right, so that's done. Pretty simple, right? Now go back to I'm gonna close this one, and I will refresh this page. Now you see ACC creation here, the label change, right? So you can pretty much do the same thing here. So when you click on here, it will prompt you with an account option. So it's a demo 99999. So for instance, and there you are. So account got created. So so you can minimize it, and you can go to account. So here you are, demo 99. So I know that I messed up my org because it's a free org. That's the advantage of having free org. You can mock up the data the way you want. You can delete the information. For demonstration, you sometimes do different stuff. So these are the two things which you should keep in mind. You should know how to do that because flows are very powerful, right? So I talked about. So there's one more thing I wanted to mention that I didn't cover. Approval process, especially for this app builder course. The reason why I didn't cover, because I already covered that for Platform Developer 1. So I put a link to that in the playlist. So it's pretty much the same concept, right? So I don't want it to repeat the same stuff. So there's not much difference here. So I include it in my playlist. So if you are following along my playlist, you will not miss it. So yeah. We got a lot more stuff to cover. And hopefully within 10 days, we'll be able to finish that Platform App Builder certification series, right? Then after that, I'm planning to start the Einstein series to get you certified on Einstein. So that's the plan. Cool. So that's being said, greetings and adios from New Zealand. Take care.